You need to subscribe if you want to see me eat this. Alright, I got my buddy Justin over here. He's going to hold the camera while we do this. I do have something that I wanted to try, and I've never been able to do it. And since this truck is the first 5-speed clutched truck that I've ever dealt with, I wanted to take the pilot bearing out and replace it because it's a little gritty. And I wanted to do it in a cool and unique way that I've seen online. I want to show you guys that right now. That's right, with bread. Pilot bearing. This is what centers or kind of locates the clutch and all sorts of fun stuff. So we're going to take the middle here. I've only seen this done online. So we're going to stuff bread, literally, in the middle of the bearing. We're going to take the brass punch here and smash it down. Theoretically, it will push the bearing up. I'm pushing bread up inside here. I'm making an absolute mess of this, but I'm literally just grabbing chunks of bread, shoving it down in the hole, and then hitting it. And I'm telling you guys, this bearing's coming out. It's probably halfway out already. Yeah, look at that. That's unreal.
You can see it's come up.
Yeah.
Holy smokes.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I need one more piece of bread or half a piece of bread to get this to work, so be right back. Probably wasting time trying to get all these crumbs in there, but maybe I want to eat the rest of this if I don't eat it all.
I think we picked wrong by doing sourdough.
Oh, yeah! Nah, maybe I picked right. Look at that. That's freaking cool.
Look at all that bread. With the oil in there and the rest, it looks like a cinnamon.
The forbidden Cinnabon. You need to subscribe if you want to see me eat this. I'm going to put it in a separate video. If I don't get like 10 subscribers from this video, you'll never see it.